the coming days you will see.
Any specific strategy in place, like how to come?
Actually, we are conducting special drives, and definitely we will
Pakistan.
be in coming days we will intensify our drives. And lastly, we have done carried out some good searches, and we have found lots and lots of. You see, during this year we have. Seized around drugs of
70 crores.
75 crores and more, and we will continue this drive very intensively.
So any specific reason that there is a rise in seizure, like compared to last year? This is almost 7 times rise. So any specific reason that there is more drugs coming to our?
No, this is the part of our intensive drives.
Okay.
That is
So any specific plan this time, this year, to curb drug menace in the state?
see, we have to look into basically these kind of offences are very much preventable, and the prevention is the key to success. And you see here what is happening. Actually, there are lots and lots of tourists are coming, and there is some kind of you can say that there is a increase in consumption or something like that. That is also one of the factor, and we will be definitely behind these drug peddlers, and you will see the results.